Hi guys, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, I'm going to teach you the logical operators. So first of all, what is the logical operators? The logical operators are just used to determine the logic between the variables and values. And here I'm going to show you this thing with an example. Here you see that here we have placed a condition when x is greater than 10, so it will return true and this code will execute. But here we are also able to place more than one conditions, like when x is greater than 10, when x is greater than 8, when x is equal to 10. So in this way, in between this condition, after this condition after here, we can place more than one conditions by using the logics, and we can specify if one condition is true from these three conditions, then it will return true. When all conditions are true, then uh, it will return true. So in this way you can apply the logic between more than one conditions. Here I will clear this thing. Those who are confused, here first of all, here I'm gonna create two variables. Here is one is x, it have the value 4, then here is y, it have the value 8, and now semicolon. And here I'm gonna check if, and here I'm gonna check if x value is less than 5, here is less than 5, and y value is less than 9, then this code will execute. So now here I have placed two conditions, but here I have not write any logic, and here is alert is execute, here is this, and now here is it is not executing because here we have not give it a logic, we have not give it a logical operators. Here you see that we have applied two conditions, when and here we want to apply a logical operator in which when both conditions are true, then this code will be executed, and that logical operator is AND operator. To write the AND operator, we have to write AND sign two times in between the conditions. And what is its functionality? When both conditions are true, then this code will execute, then it will return true. When x is less than 5, when y is less than 9. So here you see that both x value is 4 and 4 is less than 5, y value is 8 and 8 is less than 9. So now both conditions are true, then now its code is going to execute. Here you can see that. So in this way we have to place the operator, logical operator, between the conditions, otherwise it will not work. And if there is a condition that is wrong here, now this condition is wrong, y is not less than 7, and this condition is wrong, and here you see that it will not return true. When both conditions are true, then it will return true. So now the result is here, and you can place as many logical operators as you can. If I place here, I'm gonna place a third condition is when 5 is less than 9, and here I'm also gonna place another AND operator. So now when all these three conditions are true, then it will return true. And now here I'm gonna make it true, here is 9. So now all these three conditions are true, here it will return true. And if one condition is false, it will return false, and when all the condition is true, then it will return true. And this is the AND operator. There is another operator, that is the OR operator. So what is the function of OR? OR operator will return true when any condition is true. At least one condition is true, so it will return true. If all conditions are true, then it will return true. And here I'm gonna tell you about it. Here is the comment, here is this, So now here you see that here is OR. To write the OR sign, we have to write these two lines sign two times. So where it is in the keyboard many times, we cannot find this keyword. So here is I'm gonna open the on-screen keyboard and then I will show you where this is, where this symbol is. These are the just the two lines. Here you see that this is the symbol. You have to press shift and then this symbol. This line is the symbol. And now when any of these condition is true, so it will return true. But now both conditions are true, so it will return true and this code will execute. But here I'm gonna make it wrong. So now this condition return false, this is false, and this is true. So now it will also execute. Here you can see that here it is executing, and when both conditions are false, so it will return false and this condition is not run, it will return false. So in this way at least one condition is true, and you can place as many OR operators as you can. You can place other conditions as many as you can. And the next operator is NOT operator. NOT operator is used to check the inequality. Here is when we want to check 5 is x is not equal to 5, x is not equal to this value, so we have to place not equal in this way. When we want to check the equality, so we have to place 2 equal, but when we want to check not equal, so we have to place exclamation sign and then equal. So what it is checking, it is checking for x value, that is 4, is not equal to 5, then it will return true. So here you can see that it will return true because x is not equal to 5. But when here I have write 4, x value is also 4, so now x value is equal to 4, so now it will return false because it is not operator, so it is not executing. So it will return true when specific value is not equal to the other value. So I hope you get my point. If you have any problems, kindly add the discussion. I will help you as much as I can. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next video that is about the ternary operator. So see you in the next video.